So see, again, these equations have to be solved by elimination. Now these, for example, an equation like this, when you look at an equation like this, you understand that this equation, if you want to solve this equation by elimination, what you need to do is you need to subtract the two equations. So am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now my request to you would be to follow this procedure what I am telling you. Yeah. So you write this equation number 1, you write this as equation number 2, then you leave a gap between, and then you draw a line. And then what you do is you change the signs of the coefficients. So for example, 2 is positive here, it will become negative. This negative will become positive, and this negative will become positive. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Now 5e minus 2e is 3e. Is there any doubt? Minus 2f plus 2f is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is there any doubt? Sanvi, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
I'm requesting you again to follow this procedure so that there is no error. Therefore, E is equal to 2. Any doubt? And then you write substitute value of E is equal to 2 in equation 1 or 2, whatever you are comfortable with. So for example, if I want to put in equation 1, I'll write this as 5 into 2 minus 2f is equal to 4. Therefore, 10 minus 2f is equal to 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 2f. 6 is equal to 2f. F is equal to 3. Is there any doubt? Soumyaji, any doubt?
So, but why can't you do it the other way? Like the previous one,
Yeah.
we did elimination when we
Yeah.
the previous questions were question 15 from the last exercise, like
Yeah.
3k plus
Yeah.
4k is equal to
Yeah.
23 and
Yeah.
2k minus 4k is equal to 2.
Yeah.
So why can't you do it in that method?
Shabash. Okay. Now let us see the difference between 9.3a and 9.3b. Now look closely at this question number 18th. Yeah, and you will see the difference. See this question number 18th. In these two equations, when I add the two equations, this and this will cancel. Therefore, I'll have 4n is equal to 4. Do you see the difference? In 9.3a,
So
yeah.
only because 6p is a positive and the second in
Yes,
equation 1 and
yes,
in second equation 6p is a negative.
yes, you are absolutely right.
Okay.
In 9.3a, please look at any of the equations. So for example, let me look at this question number 2. C plus D is equal to 7, 4C minus D is equal to 8. Now, if I simply add these two equations, this and this will cancel. Therefore, 5C is equal to 15. Therefore, C is equal to 3. Do you see the difference? Can you see the difference? So for example, if I take question number 8, when I add these two equations, this and this will cancel. While in 9.3b, what you need to understand is that if I add the two equations, for example, if I add these two equations, the answer that I will get is 7e minus 4f is equal to 2. I have not eliminated anything. Do you see the difference or not?
We do.
Sanvi, do you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
So Soumya, what I'm trying to tell you is that in equations, in these kind of equations, all the equations which are mentioned in 9.3b, simply adding the two equations will not eliminate anything. You can take any random set of equations. Have you understood? And that is why you need to follow the step that the two equations need to be subtracted. So if you look at this process again, what I am doing is I am subtracting the two equations by changing the coefficients, the sign of the coefficients. That is why I'm suggesting to follow this method where you write first equation, you write the second equation, then you change the sign of the coefficient. So for example, this coefficient is positive, I'll make this as negative. This is negative, I make this positive. This is negative and I make this positive. Sanviji, any confusion?
No, sir.
Soumyaji, any confusion? Soumyaji, any confusion?
No, sir.
So in this exercise 9.3b, basically you are subtracting the two equations. You are not adding the two equations. In 9.3a, you are adding the two equations. Because in this exercise, if you add the two equations, nothing will eliminate. Let us take another example. For example, if I take this one, so I'll write L minus 2m is equal to minus 5. I'll write 3L minus 2m is equal to minus 3. What should I do, Soumya? This plus will become?
Plus will become minus.
Minus will become?
Plus.
This minus will become?
Plus.
And then this and this will cancel. L minus 3L would be equal to, Sanvi? Minus 5 plus 3 will become minus 2. Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Minus 2L is equal to minus 2. Therefore, L would be equal to minus 2 upon 2. L is equal to 1. Any doubt? Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
How should I do this equation? S plus T is equal to 8. 5S plus T would be 28. Soumya, what should I write now? This plus will become?
So the plus becomes minus the
Have you understood?
and minus. Yeah.
So S
So
minus 5 is, yeah. S minus 5 is
minus 4s
Shabash.
and that is equal to minus 20.
Shabash. Minus 4S is equal to minus 20. Therefore, S is equal to minus 20 upon minus 4, which is equal to 5. Any doubts, Sanviji?
No, sir.
Please follow this method. Sanviji, what should I write? Yeah, Sanvi, what should I write?
You will write 2D
Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 2C minus 2C, these two will cancel.
yeah.
Minus D minus 3D is a minus 4D. Minus 1 minus 11 is equal to minus 12. D is equal to minus 12 upon minus 4 is equal to 3. So much any doubt? So much any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll do one more question. Yeah. So j plus 2k is equal to 8. J minus 3k is equal to minus 7. So Sanviji, what should I write?
So it will be
Minus,
minus.
plus. Have you understood? So j
Yeah.
minus j cancels. 2k plus 3k, because this minus has converted into plus. So 2k plus 3k is 5k. 8 plus 7 is 15. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Somaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, let us do a bonus question. Okay. 3r minus s is equal to minus 1. 3r minus 2s is equal to minus 8. Sanviji, what should I write? Plus will become?
Minus.
Minus will become?
Plus.
Minus will become?
Plus.
So 3r minus 3r will cancel.
Yeah.
Minus s plus 2s is s. Minus 1 plus 8. This minus has become plus. Minus 1 plus 8 has become 7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So you need to do these equations again as per the method that I have taught you right now. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please do not follow any other method. Yeah. This is the best way of solving these equations. Yeah. So
Yes.
let's meet on Thursday.